Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Thinline from Fast Torque represents the ultimate in toughness and versatility. Its simple, yet strong construction and inline precision means a tool with ultimate durability. Thinline's unique low profile design provides safe, accurate applied torque in the tightest places. With a range of sizes to fit almost any application, Thinline offers the best power to weight ratio is a tool that won't break. It fits easily in tight spaces. The Thinline provides torque in both pulls and push modes and can be customized for your specific application. The Thinline from Fast Torque is ideal for use on wellheads, blowout preventers, heat exchangers, and piping flanges, plus so much more. Don't let Thinline's slim profile be deceiving. While it's thinner than the nut height, Thinline wrenches provide over 138,000 foot-pounds of torque and deliver 60 degrees of turn before resetting. If you're looking for durability that's versatile for multiple applications, there's only one choice: a Thinline from Fast Torque. Milwaukee Air-Tip. Milwaukee Air-Tip long-reach flexible micro-hose set reaches where most vacuum tools cannot go, with 5 interchangeable hose lengths and diameters for many hard-to-reach spaces. You can install a different hose tube based on your cleaning needs with a quick quarter turn. It is compatible with other wet or dry vacuum brands and is part of our Air-Tip family of trade-focused vacuum accessories. Knoweasy cable tie and tensioner tool and cutting tool for plastic and nylon cable ties. Suitable for nylon lot width 2.4 to 9 fit for quick strapping cable and wire, and cut off the remaining part of tie tape. Simply pull the handle, squeeze, and then push the cutting lever to automatically cut the cable tie flush with the lid. Easily fits in your back pocket. As you can see in the picture above, we use a lot of cable ties to build pins. It would have saved me a lot of time. Nut picker upper stabber nut harvester. Stop bending over and hurting your back. The stabber nut harvester allows you to pick up your pecans without having to bend over. Stabber nut pecan harvesters will pick up all varieties of pecans, from large to the smallest seedlings, inside of the hull or out. The stabber nut was designed with the backyard pecan tree owners in mind and is recommended for harvesting 1 to 2 trees. Simply stab the pecans on the ground, pump the handle, and eject. ARB Jack Powerful Hydraulic Lifting Recovery Jack. The long travel ARB Jack is backed by the unique power of hydraulic technology. Kicking into action when even the lightest force is applied to the handle, the hydraulics will smoothly jack the vehicle up to 13 millimeters increments with each downward maneuver. Whilst in action, a black rubber body bumper shields the vehicle from risk of damage during the recovery. The easy-to-access red lowering lever ensures lowering the vehicle is achieved swiftly and safely thanks to the 2-stage descent feature and safety stop, empowering the user with dual lowering speeds. With the press of the lever, a slow or rapid descent can be achieved. KNIPEX BiX Clever Pipe Cutter. KNIPEX BiX Clever Pipe Cutter cuts pipes without shavings and fits comfortably in the hand. It can cut high-temperature plastic drain pipes and electrical conduits in next to no time. Can be used to cut ceiling sleeves during final assembly close to the wall, standard compliant. It cuts unreinforced plastic pipes from dia 20 to 50 millimeters with a wall thickness of up to 2.4 millimeters. It cuts pipes quickly, cleanly, and without shavings. Cut ceiling sleeves approx. to 3 mm from the wall. It has rotatable knife block for cutting plastic pipes and sealing sleeves, with locking mechanism for safe transport. DrywalPro Easy Dustless Drywall Tool. DrywalPro shaves. Waste joint compound is heavier, falling directly to the ground and eliminating airborne dust that traditional methods create. The tool's durable wheels glide smoothly across drywall without damaging the surface, while the heat-treated blade effortlessly smooths any amount of joint compound to a seamless finish. DrywalPro comes with a replaceable, 4-sided blade that can be rotated for maximum longevity. Rapidar P100. It is a precision, heavy-duty hand-dry vetter that offers press-free performance. Designed for intensive use even with the hardest stainless steel rivets, its soft grip handle and light, aluminum die-cast body increases user comfort, particularly over longer periods. Other features include strong metal jaws and integrated wrench and rivet pin receiver, designed for use with 3.2 4.8 mm rivets in all materials. Milwaukee M12 Cable Stapler. It delivers unmatched stapling performance in the most compact battery-powered solution, leading to a faster, more efficient troughing process. This is compact, lightweight design provides users with access to tight stud bays and improved ergonomics when stapling overhead or during difficult-to-reach situations. Movable cable guides ensure proper alignment, and the coil spring mechanism consistently sinks the staples to the appropriate depth when fastening in MB sheet cable and low-voltage cables, supporting peak stapling productivity. WZVB8. The punching pliers offer a time-saving way of punching out connection holes in trunking side walls up to 1.5 mm thick. This is done by setting up the appropriate stop for the trunking size at the position of the hole to be punched. The pliers are then applied so that the trunking side wall is positioned between the punch and the die, and the stop packs to the side. By pressing the pliers together, the punch passes through the sheet metal and leaves behind a low burr hole. The punching pliers are then immediately ready for reuse. By simply turning the piers, a parallel hole can be punched opposite in precisely the correct position. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.